Good morning. Happy Black Friday to all you. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Got some time to share with the family and friends. So, I'm out here again making another video for you guys. I'm working off some of my turkey fat. I'm out here on one of the newly cleared Wareham Land Trust trails and Turtle Trail. So, I don't have a lot to say. I just wish that you all, like I said, I hope you've all had a great holiday. And just take the time, whether you're traveling back after visiting with family, out getting the deals on Black Friday, or whatever you may be doing. Just remember, take time, stop, try to enjoy a little nature. It will enhance your recovery. And yeah, if you like to, share some of your Thanksgiving stories with us. We'd love to hear them and share them with others that maybe not be having such a great Thanksgiving. So, send your message, video to my Facebook page, Richie's Road to Recovery. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Richie's Road to Recovery. You can put a video on there, or you can send it to me and I can upload it. Or if you want to just text me at 339-832-5387, and I can share your message. You can remain anonymous. So, as we go forward this holiday season, friends, just take time. Recovery is not all rush, and it's also not gloom and doom. So, enjoy what you have. We'll talk to you soon. Hope to hear from you. Have a blessed Friday. Be well, my friends.